Collect your ingredients: mango, dates, apricots, coarse almond meal, chia seeds, quick oats, and coconut oil with salt. Dried mango can often be very hard, so soak the mango for 10 minutes in water. Then remove it and blot with a cloth or paper towel to remove the excess moisture. Put the mango, apricots, dates, and chia seeds into your food processor using the sharpest chopping blade that you have. Use the food processor to chop the fruit into a rough paste. Pause when needed to scrape down the sides and continue processing until the food process starts to create a rough ball. Stop processing once a rough ball forms, and then use your spatula to break the ball apart. You want your coconut oil to be in a liquid form, so melt it as needed. Now you can add the almond meal and the quick oats, sprinkling it evenly around the food processor. Add the coconut oil and the salt while it is processing, and process till a big rough ball forms. Line your tray with wax paper with lots of paper extending over each side, and decant the fruit ball onto the tray. Use your hands to flatten the ball into a rough rectangle. Fold the remaining wax paper over the flattened fruit mix. Use a rolling pin to flatten and firm the fruit mix. The firmer the mix is, the better it'll hold together when you cut it. Put the tray in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours to cool and firm. Unwrap the cooled tray and slice the bar into whatever shape you like, rectangles or squares. Serve this to your guests and watch this delicious fruit treat melt in your mouth and disappear from your table.